my name is Cassie, and I'm going to take you on a virtual tour of our 991 square foot, 2-bedroom, 2-bath apartment. Every apartment comes with their own patio if you're on the first floor, or balcony if you're on the second. And you always have an outdoor storage area. The second floor apartments have nice vaulted ceilings, and every apartment comes equipped with a wood-burning fireplace. This apartment has the cherry wood cabinets and the faux marble countertops. Every apartment comes with a washer and dryer, so you don't have to worry about sharing with anybody else. In the hall, you have a nice closet. This is the non-master bedroom. This closet is huge. Can definitely fit all of your things in it. This is the master bedroom. It is the same size as your other bedroom. Both are 11 by 13s. And again, you have that nice, wonderfully large closet. I hope you enjoyed taking a walk with me through 316